Hey everyone, in this session especially you are going to concentrate and focus about how to a for loop will works. See, like a loop will work in programming. Most of the programming lectures for loop is very essential and important. Not only for loop, any loop which the developer is convenient to apply the loop statements he is going to be applying. So for loop is used to iterating over a sequences of in the either group of items more than one in a list or string or a group of range or methods. So a keyword which is easy to implementing in the programming statement which is followed by Python for loop. The syntax is more similar to iteration from a method called range method what we have seen in the screen here. So the range, when I put here in the 10, the range is iterating 10 times. The first time it will happens, the 0 is going to be stored into the x variable, and this immediately this is entering into the block. See the indentation of the space it is displaying. How it will comes when you writing for like a for loop syntax here for x in range 10 colon hitting enter, automatically the cursor Python will understand it's a for loop statement and for loop block of code is going to be writing here. So the indentation is getting one tab space. Now here we need to write the print statement x. If you need to print one more statement over here, also you can write here hello. See, this hello is also going to be print how many times the loop iteration, like a circle iterations, how many times it is iterating for to repeatedly printing these two statements. We'll check now. Let's see, run the program. Wow, see how it is going to be iterations. For when the running of the code, for x is first time it is 0 and it is stored here and entering into the block, and it is printed x value is 0 and it's immediately it is printing 0 hello, this line. Once it is done, it is going to be here and it will be into the next value. It is 2 is stored and it is printed, and also this is also printed. See, 1 hello, 2 hello, vice versa. The same will repeat till 10, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So hello. Once it is done, the range from 0 to 10 means it's a 9. 0 to 9 it will be 10. So once the range is successfully completed, loop will automatically terminate and exit the loop. This way the for loop will works in Python programming language. I hope it's very simple and clear. Try to apply by writing any more examples. Thank you.